Alright guys, we're back. Today's episode we're going to go ahead and install our Skunk 2 headers so we can go ahead and start lining everything back up in this front with a radiator eventually, but today we're just going to focus on the headers. And shout out to the Central Florida Z Club, man. These guys held a nice swap meet slash lunch earlier today. A really cool event, really enjoyed it. Got a bunch of little freebies that they gave out, some really cool posters. We'll be hanging these in my garage eventually, so shout out to these guys, man. That was one heck of a cool event. Really cool people as well, so I'm really excited that I got to make a connection with the Z community out here. But for now, until we finish this Honda, we will stick to focusing to the Honda build. Eventually we will get back on the G, and I'm sure that a lot of the Z community, the VQ community, will enjoy once I get on to that build and refreshen the G35. But for now, let's get to it. We're gonna go ahead and install the headers.
Yeah. Weather calm, bad little shorty on my arm. Take you home, better when we all alone. Sex was good on the phone, but now you facing down. Better talk that same shit, yeah, we going round for round. Yellow bone, somewhere out in Yellowstone. She call me Al Capone, I can help my Scarface shown. I set the tone when you let me feel up on. Better talk that same shit, yeah, we going round for round. Bedroom bully, Millie and the Scully and the auto coming fully. Better say you with me, yes, I tell you what it could be. All black Nike Texas, watch your step round this hoodie. Just tell me if we goody. Need a taste of that cookie. That cookie in my face, the only thing that overlooked me. I can name a nigga I can ever say that shook me. Hall of Fame mode to a nigga that's a rookie. I'm a schooler, man, no hooky. What's up? Get your freak on, get your freak on. Got my hands all on your waist, I can't let it go to waste. Nah, when you in my space, cause I ain't finna chase. She put up stats like she sitting next to Mace. Handles like I'm Rafer, straight shots, no chaser. If we rock, then let's cut and get this paper. I'm a bedroom bully, but I ain't a baby maker. Beat the pussy up, baby, I can't wait to taste ya. Weather calm, bad little shorty on my arm. Take you home, better when we all alone. Sex was good on the phone, but now you facing down. Better talk that same shit, yeah, we going round for round. Yellow bone, somewhere out in Yellowstone. She call me Al Capone, I can help my Scarface shown. I set the tone when you let me feel up on. Better talk that same shit, yeah, we going round for round. Niggas from my hood chasing me while I'm chasing the greats. Check my KD, I'm farther than all of you, son. Stephen A, no debate when I'm running through takes. Undisputed, never skipping out on my day ones. Shannon sharp as they come, need Pepto for these runs. I put it on her tongue, sticky like a honey bun. She want that 1v1, but you ain't the only one. Mess with the chosen one, pass the shells and load the gun. Another order, pass the shells with chicken palm. I got a set of bitches, treat me like a Michael Scarn. I rose with plenty thorns, I'm going Jason Bourne. Remember Malcolm rocking socks like he was keeping horn. Yeah, black like he Tyrese when he play baby boy. Yeah, man, that's my boy. Yeah, it bring me joy. Yeah, to see him take on kids, I seen him make the choice. Yeah, he rap like Royce. Yeah, he's shorter than 5'9", but he's still a giant. We get stoned, no David Goliath. SSB causing a riot. This shit for baby Malaya. This shit for Danny, baby. I'm thankful he flying higher. Lordy, who I desire, but the pussy is so wet, could take out a small fire. Shit is a movie, gonna give you an Oscar Mayer. The BM500 attire, matching with my attire. Can carry a liar, me and Rich by the campfire. Jesse be going ghost, then come back on new tires.
Step out the whip like a fitting room, boy, you know I'm in new designer. My eyes looking off-white, my pockets say I'm Gucci. I move like the hood supplier, I feel like I'm Michael Myers. They swear they be running shit, but you know I'm gon' kill them still. Game been broke, guess these niggas ain't ready for cash. I align with the best, even the ones that pass. Been lapping all these rappers, can't count on my victories. Me and rap go together like Brooklyn niggas and Biggie T's. Hard Hard times turned a nigga right to a refugee. Gone to November, came back with a different V, different speed, different bitch, pedigree, full bread, pockets deep, blue strips, winter street, round here, Memphis bleak. I'm fucking nice, you can't carry on cause they ain't that fly. Usual suspects, which means I'm that guy. Can't walk in my shoes, bro, never needed an alibi. Can't walk in my socks too, if you did, you become a beggar. This heavy-handed mentality made me a big stepper.
Alright guys, we're about to install the bottom door plastic trim. In order to maintain this piece from falling off and whatnot, you want to line it up as best as you can. What I like to do personally, because once you remove these panels, usually this just breaks off these little tabs. It's like 2 tabs that it holds on to here. I like to use like a very fine double-side tape it along the back side, push it down, and then of course push your bracket in place, and you should not have any issues. As the weather strip goes, that goes right above this area here, I ordered this off of Amazon, and it's one of the pieces that CRX Seth used. So shout out to CRX Seth for coming up with this idea to replace the old strip that is usually just destroyed. Yeah, this works really well. Nice little weather strip on there. I may need to cut this one a little bit more, but other than that, you can see it's a perfect fitment. Perfect fitment. We're gonna go ahead and install this piece now.
Got a nice little warm up now, so now I really know how to feel it on this mic now. I need streets just to feel calm, and I want to do it as smooth as possible too, cause this shit is gonna take over the world. Millie, yeah. Climb these trees just to feel calm. Got a Spanish bitch I feel up on. Her body so free though. I had to break up Migos. This offset my egos. Put them on a line like free throws. I need those. 1,000 flows, 1,000 hoes, 1,000 memories. Fuck your bitch, fuck your couch, fuck your enemies. I just wanna be the best, why don't they let me be? Millie go, I'm a fox, that same ghost. Serve lot, and they praying for them. Neighborhoods that's playing on them. Bending corners, switch your lanes, I'll be bending corners. Swerving on them, do my dance, no swerving on them. Keenan, Cal, SSB, we all like. If you held me down, promise I'ma give it all back. Yeah, promise I'll be there before you call back. Spending all my riches, I'm just trying to make it all back. Yeah, me a shot running through the hard rock. Then throw it up and booby trap, we be going nuts. Joey there with us, they clear the way for us. Yeah, the money come to us, straight from the armor trucks. Yeah, they rain down on these bitches from the air. Everybody stopping and they stare. Standing on their couch, standing on their chair. Everybody shout, everybody cheer. Yeah. Live without you, yeah. Millie, yeah. I need Drake to become Jay so I can become Drake. Took pieces of yay, hope they don't keep me away. And every verse and every hook, I mean what I say. Reaching like a fan in the stands that's slipping away. The game on some 5-year mace, the game should be counting M's with them. Instead the ending M, the ghosts can win. What's happening, we tapping in. Struggling full of monsters, if they call you answer. Sugar full of dancers, FO double anthem. Young Butcher Bunch, I'm just light skinned and I'm handsome. Millie Denny Phantom. Come a little shorty, stroke my ego like a champion. Cause baby, I'm a champion. Hold a crown for ransom. Young, rich, and handsome. Millie on Millie, so really I am my own tandem. Be careful what you handle. Keep my circle close and watch for certain man. Jeez.
Guys, if you've enjoyed the music, shout out to my boy Fox Amili. I will tag him in the description below if you enjoyed his music. Local artist based out of Orlando, Florida. Tap in. I'm working with a bunch of artists from here on out that I will be featuring the music in my videos. So enjoy, guys. Thank you all so much for the support. Please like, subscribe, hit that follow button. Let's get to that 500. Let's go. Shout out to Flaco Luna, guys. He did a giveaway once he reached 500 subs. He selected 5 subscribers out of his 500 subs, and we were lucky enough to win. Make sure you guys go check out his channel. He's building a K-Series CRX, and we're gonna have Ava open up the giveaway that we received from Flaco. So
Okay, so we're gonna start opening it. We use scissors. It's hard.
right in front of you, scissors.
Oh,
Use the little ones.
I got these.
Make sure you don't cut what's in there, because we don't even know what's in there.
Then we could do bubble wrap.
Let's go, Ava. You got this. You got this. Ah, yo, check it out. Open it up. Yo, that is sick.
Oh, it's hard.
That is sick. Show it. Let me check it out. Get a good look there. 561 Auto Work YouTube. Sweet. Again, thanks a lot, Flaco. We appreciate it. Hopefully you guys have also showed some love to his channel, showing some love to my channel, and hopefully you guys subscribe, because eventually Flaco and I, we are definitely gonna link up. All right, Ava.
Peace!